How fast can we pull the front passenger and the rear seats out of a Dodge Challenger? We're gonna find out today. Why are we gonna find out? Well, I'm going racing tomorrow night, and I expect to do set a new personal best because a cold front's coming in tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be temp in the 50s. DA is actually supposed to be like below 200, which is amazing for Texas. It probably is going to be the best weather of the year. So I need to take advantage of that and do as much as I can to get as fast as I can. So part of that is getting as much weight out of the car as possible. So a lot of people will pull the seats, the front passenger and rear seat. In fact, these 1320s normally don't even come with these seats. I had to option them back in there. So instead of showing you how to pull the seats, which there are tons of videos on, we're going to just see how fast you can do it. Because one thing I was always wondered is people that go racing a lot, what they have to go through to prep for it. And I always thought, man, it's got to be a hassle pulling the seats out all the time. But having pulled these out before, it's not that bad. And I think I can do it pretty quick. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to time it. Before I do, I'm going to show you really quick. What do you need to do to pull it? It's just 4 bolts on the front seat. If we look underneath, there is one plug way up front there. And that's it on the front seat. One plug, 4 bolts. Rear seats, the bottom cushion you just yank up, and then the rear ones actually just have 5 bolts. And what we do for that, you pull that down, and there's 2 right there, and there's 1 right here, and there's 2 more down there at that end. That's it. I already got my sockets out. Now I have a 18 millimeter for the rear seats, and I have a 10 millimeter. It's actually a Metron style. Even though these are a star shape, in fact, let's look at that one. I don't actually have a socket for it, but the set that I have actually works for it. So, okay, got the GoPro on. I got the stopwatch set to go. Some parts are going to be a little bit dark. I'm not going to worry about shedding a light on what I'm doing because I've already first explained to you what I need to do. This is about the time. So let's get to it. Go ahead and take guesses how long you think. And start. Okay, first we got the plug down here. I can go by feel. There it is right there. That's off. And got the wrong one here. I'm going to leave this whole part unedited, uncut. That way you can actually see in real time and not just the timer. Now obviously if I had power tools, this would be a whole lot faster. I'm slipping off here. One bolt done. Now obviously it's a lot easier to pull the front seat out first. That'll give you more room to get to the back seat. Oh, couldn't grip it. Should have let loose so fast. Okay, second bolt done. Wouldn't quite slip out as much if I had the correct socket. I am ordering a set of star sockets though, so hopefully that light isn't blinding you guys. Okay. This thing is heavy. All right, we're at 2 minutes, 51 seconds, so 3 minutes for the front. Rear seat, go under. Pop up. Let's run to the other side. And let's get under here. Pop up. Let's go back. That was it on this bottom. You just pop that up. Comes right out. There's my wind light wheels. I don't have them ready yet. Drop that socket. Grab this one. Pull these down. Okay. Just lost a second there. These actually, since I've already broken them loose once, are really nice. Once you break them loose again, don't even need a wrench. Well, you need a wrench to break them, re-break them loose. But they're pretty slick on there. Two more right here. Bolts are out. Lift the bracket off there. Now the rear seat has a little pin right here. It goes in here. Why am I talking? I'm slowing myself down. There's that side. Here's this side. Bolts cleaned up. Stop. 5 minutes, 11 seconds. I mean, if you ever were worried about pulling the seats out every time you go to the track, putting them in, taking them out, that's it. 5 minutes to take them out. And to put them back in, and yeah, I'm a little out of breath because I'm old and out of shape too. But putting them back in actually took me less than 10 minutes. The hardest part was getting the brackets all to line up, sit in there, and just get everything started. But that's it. So again, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.